Hey everyone, I'm Nina Zeta with Sidewalker Daily, and today I want to talk about the Instagram Collabs feature. This is a feature on Instagram that allows you and another person, creator, business to share the same content, to collaborate. I'm going to be showing in today's video how you can do it, what the benefits are, and why we love this feature for influencers and creators. Now, if you are just new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet and you're interested in all things creator economy, influencer marketing, social media, make sure you hit like subscribe. We love talking about all things pitching, pitching to brands, and helping you guys grow your businesses. So first off, let me share my screen and show you what I mean by Instagram collab. So right here I am on Janine from The Wild Explorer. This is her page. Love Janine. She's an amazing creator. Right here you can tell at the very top of the page she has, it's her name and 500 experiences. So I can tell just by saying the word "and" that there's another account to it. And this account is also, when you scroll down, you're gonna see the same post, right? So they're both posting the same post, whether it's on the Wild Explorers page or if it's on the 500 experiences page, which appears to be a local and travel website in LA. And given that Janine does this type of content, it makes so much sense for them to partner and to collaborate, right? So this is visually how it looks. It appears on both feeds and both people get to post it. Now, there are obviously tons of benefits of using this collab tool, this new feature. I think the first being from a growth perspective, so many creators are always trying to grow their Instagram accounts, right? But when you collaborate with someone else and you both post the same content, like now everyone on Janine's page is introduced to 500 experiences, and everyone on 500 experiences page is now introduced to Janine's content, right? So there's going to obviously be a new way to get new people to see your account. And we're always looking for those ways to get, more people to follow us on social, and the collab feature is going to help you as a creator do just that. Now imagine by borrowing someone else's audience or by being able to do this collab feature, it also helps with things like engagement, right? And most of the times the collaborations are obviously within the same niche, or two companies or a brand and an influencer, or two creators or two friends, really whoever, that have similar interests, which means the audiences are most likely similar in nature, and that's why there's a higher probability of growth. It's not like you're partnering with a brand or someone else that has, a totally random audience that doesn't want to see your content. If you're collaborating, chances are you have similar audiences, so this is a great way to grow. It's also a really good way for creators to get brands to notice them, because let's just say you're two creators and a whole set of people on the brand side follow this creator and a bunch of brands follow you, but they're not the same brands. But by collaborating and posting content together, you're being able to get new people to see who you are and learn about your account, which is super cool. If you are looking for ways to get brands to notice you, we have this amazing course on just that. I'm gonna link it below. It's all about getting brands to notice you so that you actually don't have to pitch them, but you get on their radar and they end up pitching to you. So it's a brilliant way, and obviously IG collabs is one way to do this. Now let me go ahead and share my screen and show you guys how to actually use this feature in case you're looking to do so. So I'm gonna head over to my Instagram account to show you guys how to use this function. It's super easy. You can use it with either a reel or a post. I'll just do post. I'm gonna do an example. Let's just say I wanted to use this post. This is a TikTok that I just did recently. Okay, right here, this is where you're gonna wanna do it. Under tag people, you can click invite collaborator, and that's exactly how you do it. So like, let's just say I wanted to do this with my account. I would go ahead and click right here. And then once I hit done, now I have to go onto my account and accept it. So the person that you are inviting as a collaborator would have to go in and accept that request in order to be as a collaborator, and then you just click done and you post as you normally would. Now, I think the collab feature can be used in a variety of different creative ways. Like if you are running a giveaway, this is a great way for you and someone else to be able to collaborate and both post the giveaway. If there's an influencer marketing campaign and that's the brand and the influencer, we're seeing a lot of this happen now. People are doing the collab function as part of influencer deals moving forward. It's like in the contract that when the influencer posts, they have to invite the brand as a collaborator, and that way it also pops up on the brand's feed. So a lot of people are using it for that. We're seeing it if there's any sort of new launches or something new is happening. And again, people want to both post. What I think is also really cool from just like a content perspective and someone who's always producing content, if I have a collab feature in my calendar and I know that that's going to be with someone else, it's one less thing that I would have to create, arguably. So it's also a nice way to get content for your feed to kind of relieve you of having to make that post, especially if you're collaborating with someone. It's like they're creating it and then it's just showing up on your feed. So again, there is risk to that. Like you want to make sure that it's on brand for you, that maybe you approve the content before. Again, those are all things that you guys can work out with whoever you're collaborating with off before it goes live. But I also think from just like a content perspective, it's very helpful. And it just lets you add like a new piece of content to your page. And sometimes it shakes things up and it could be exciting. Like if you're collaborating with another creator and the reel goes viral, that's awesome because both of you get to benefit from the growth and the views of that piece of content. And what's cool is that you don't have to just collaborate with one account. Instagram allows you to collaborate with multiple accounts, so that's really cool. And also you don't need like a certain number of followers to use this feature. Like anyone can use it. So I think that's awesome too. A big thing that I always recommend to creators and influencers is the importance of collaborating in general. This tool just makes it easier from a functionality perspective, but it really comes down to mindset. Like you should be trying to collaborate with other people in your industry. It's a great way for you to network, grow. You never know what will happen once you guys meet and things happen, right? These are how friendships are made, good business decisions are made, and all of that. So anyways, guys, let me know if you're gonna be using this collab feature or if you've already used it. And if you've seen other benefits, I would love to know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, fuel my fire, and I will see you guys in the next video.